In this video I will show you 5 sailing channels on YouTube that I really like to watch. And I guess that you would like to watch them as well. And let's start with this guy here. He is called Erik Aanderaa. He is a real Norwegian Viking. He's sailing alone, sailing single-handed, and he's sailing in really heavy weather, a storm that's normal for him. He's sailing from Norway to Scotland to the Shetland. He's sailing to Iceland, Greenland. He's playing around alone in his boat in heavy weather in the North Sea. It's incredible what he's doing, and you can see that he is really well prepared and he knows what he's doing. And also, he's very good at editing, so the videos, they are great quality. Another solo sailor that I follow is a Swedish guy called Sven Yrvind. Sven Yrvind, he's been sailing alone for about 200 years. He's a really old guy. He's sailing small boats, and he's making his own boats. So he's building really small boats, sailing them cross oceans, and then he learned from that experience, go back to his shed, build a new boat, cross a new ocean. Crazy guy, but really interesting to follow. And he's posting every single day, and most of his videos are short and just telling what did I do in the workshop today to improve my boat. And if you're interested in technical stuff in boats, then you can learn a lot from Sven Yrvind. Please check him out. The link to his channel is in the description. The links to all these video channels that I mentioned here are in the description, so just check them out. The next channel that often comes up in my feed is a channel called Rigging Doctor. The Rigging Doctor, he is also a technical guy. I'm a mechanical engineer myself, and I'm really interested in how things work on the boat. And the Rigging Doctor, he's got interesting videos like what is the difference between a yawl and a ketch, what is the purpose of the cutter stay in the rig, stuff like that. Check him out as well. Talking about cutter stay and ketch, that reminds me of our own boat. We got the Nautical 38, the boat called Maja, and the channel you're watching now is the channel called Sailing Maja. So if you like our videos, please like, comment, subscribe, all these usual things. Talking about Nauticat, if you like motor sailors, I have a small channel for you. It's a hidden treasure, so to say. It's a channel called Stefan Esaiassen, and he's got the same boat as we got, the Nauticat 38, mid-80s, and he is really good at sailing it. Many people having Nauticats and motor sailors, the motor, and they have a little sail just to stabilize, but he's very good at sailing. And he's sailing up north, he's living in the north of Norway, and it's stunning views, great sailing. So check him out, Stefan Esaiassen and his Nauticat 38. Next channel on YouTube is actually not about sailing, but it's about my situation, and I guess that you are in sort of the same situation. I'm in the mid-50s, I'm starting to think about retirement and starting to think about how can I get out there and sail for more than the weekend, more than the summer holiday, just get out, sail and be away for a year, 2 years, rest of my life. Anyway, there's a guy called Azul. He is a former financial advisor, and he is giving advice on what should you do to prepare for retirement. Has nothing to do with sailing, but if you are good at preparing your retirement, then you can sail a lot. So that's my bonus tip to you. But anyway, there's lots of good sailing channels on YouTube. These I've been mentioning now is quite small, hidden treasures, and please check them out. Link in the description. And if you like them, if you like our videos, please come back. Look forward to see you in the next video.